If I woke up tomorrow with $0, no network, and nothing but the clothes on my back, I'd still be rich within a year. That's not arrogance, it's a blueprint, and you're about to hear it. Most people think wealth is money. It's not. Money is a symptom, a byproduct of something much more valuable: leverageable skills and strategic positioning. If I lost everything today, I wouldn't chase comfort. I'd chase cash flow and control, because those two things will build empires faster than any paycheck ever could. Step 1. I'd identify the fastest way to generate cash on demand. Not passive income, not a dream business, but active, high-value work that people will pay for right now. The trick? You don't need to be world-class. You just need to be better than 90% of people in something they urgently need. Copywriting, lead generation, sales calls, closing deals, negotiating purchases for others. I'd pick one, master the basics in 7 days, and start selling it. No resume, no job hunt, just results for cash. The broke man's biggest disadvantage is isolation. That's why my second move would be proximity, inserting myself into high-value rooms, even if I had to volunteer for free. Your skills are worthless if nobody knows you exist. I'd attend networking events, join online groups of entrepreneurs, and target people who already control resources and opportunities. The rich, they don't hoard wealth, they circulate it within trusted circles. My job would be to become part of that circle fast. Now I have a skill and some access. Step 3 is leverage. If I'm broke, my capital isn't cash, it's other people's money, other people's audiences, and other people's trust. I'd partner with someone who already has a customer base, but lacks my skill, and take a percentage of every deal I close. Or I'd broker deals between two parties and get paid as the connector. Remember this, you don't need to own the asset to profit from it. The last step? Turn those one-off wins into a machine. Whether it's a service business, a sales process, or a product, I'd create a system that works without me constantly hustling. You see, systems are wealth accelerators because they multiply time. By month 3, I'd have a network and income and leverage. By month 12, I'd be investing in assets that pay me forever. The reason most people stay broke is simple. They chase security instead of control. They waste years begging for a stable paycheck instead of learning how to generate income on demand. If you can make money without permission, you will never be poor for long. If I went broke tomorrow, I wouldn't panic. I'd simply start the game again, and I'd win, because I know the rules. In my next briefing, I'll teach you about the hidden handshake, a psychological trigger that makes people trust you instantly, even if you're a stranger.